Hi, we continue again with subtopic 2.2, Techniques of Differentiation. At the end of this video, you should be able to use the sum, product, and quotient rules. Sum, product, and quotient rules. The derivative of the sum or difference. If f(x) and g(x) are differentiable functions, the derivative of hx equals to fx plus minus gx. Thus, h prime x equals to f prime x plus minus g prime x. Example 7. Find the derivative of the following function. A. Fx equals to x power of 4 plus x squared. So we need to differentiate term by term. So the answer is 4x cubed plus 2x. B. Fx equals to 6x power of 11 minus 3 pi. So 3 pi is the constant. If we differentiate, we get 0. So the answer is 66x power of 10 only. C. Fx equals to x squared plus 5 squared. So we need to expand first. Becomes x power of 4 plus 10x squared plus 25. And from that we differentiate. Becomes 4x cubed plus 20x. D. Fx equals to 3 zx plus 2 over zx plus z2. We change its form and then differentiate it. So f prime x equals to 3 over 2 x power of negative 1 over 2 minus x power of negative 3 over 2. So remember, for the final answer, make sure you change its form. Okay, becomes 3 over 2 zx minus 1 over x power of 3 over 2. The derivative of a product. If u equals to fx and v equals to gx are differentiable functions, the derivative of yx equals to fx gx is vu prime plus uv prime. Example 8. Differentiate each of the following function. A. Fx equals to 3x squared minus 1 times 7 plus 2x cubed. So this is the product function. Let's say we let this function as a u. And second function is the v. So we find u prime equals to 6x and v prime equals to 6x squared. So from that, we use the product rule, which is vu prime plus uv prime to find the f prime x. We substitute into that formula and then we expand it. And then after that, we simplify that functions. So the answer is 30x power of 4 minus 6x squared plus 42x. B. Fx equals to 3x squared times 5x plus 1. So we let 3x squared as a u and 5x plus 1 as a v. So from that, we find u prime and v prime. U prime equals to 6x and v prime equals to 5. So we substitute into the product rule. So f prime x equals to vu prime plus uv prime. Substitute. and then we expand and then simplify. So the final answer is 45x squared plus 6x. The derivative of a quotient. If u equals to fx and v equals to gx are differentiable functions, the derivative of yx equals to fx over gx is vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Example 9. Differentiate each of the following function. A. Fx equals to 6x squared plus 9 over 2x. First, we let numerator as a u and denominator as a v. So from that, we find u prime and v prime. U prime equals to 12x and v prime equals to 2. So we need to use the quotient rule where f prime x equals to vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. So we substitute into that formula and then we expand and we try to simplify. Give the final answer in the simplest form. So the answer is 3 minus 1 over 2x squared. B. Fx equals to 3 minus 1 over x plus 5. So first, numerator we let as a u and the denominator we let as a v. So from that, u prime equals to 1 over x squared and v prime equals to 1. So we substitute into the quotient rule. So f prime x equals to vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Try to expand. And then we need to equate denominator. And then to simplify it. So the answer is 2x plus 5 minus 3x squared over x squared times x plus 5 squared. End of the sum, product and quotient rule.